Okay. This video is going to be about how we pull, install, remove the window glass in the door on a 1997 to 2003 Ford Expedition or 150, and many of the other Fords also. Okay. So I have some other videos on how to remove the door panel. I have another video. In fact, I'll put the link below. Tell you how to remove the door panel. Okay. So to do the glass, I also have videos on that also, but it's going to be on this video. Okay. What we're going to do is, what you want to do is take the glass. Okay. Now you have to pull the door panel. Like I said before, the door panel's got to come off. Okay. And like I said, that's in another video. And well, I can explain real quick how to do it. Okay, the door panel comes off real easy. Very simple. Okay. What you do is you get there's two T25 screws. Okay, at the bottom of the door panel, one here and one there. T25. And of course, you just pull them up. All right. Then come over to the side. There's a Phillips screw head right here. Okay, it's a short little screw, about that long. You pull that out. Okay. Those screws at the bottom, they're a little bit longer. They're probably 1.25 inches, something like that. Okay, then you come under here and you get a little screwdriver would work, a straight slot screwdriver. I have a tool that I use all the time. It's I call it a crow's foot. Some people call it a cat's claw. It's like a screwdriver with like a fork on the end of it. You don't really need that. You can take this off with a straight slot screwdriver, like I was saying. You just pop that off. There's two Phillips screws under here, and they're pretty long. They're about that long under here. Okay. Get that out. Then you come over here. Next, you want to pull this off. Okay. Now this same thing, you can use the cat's claw and the screwdriver. Now, I find if I started from the back, okay, with my screwdriver, and using both of them, you want to go easy. Motorcycle going by. You want to go easy. You don't want to break it. It's plastic. I try to pull it back a little bit and then come around to the front. Now the front, it's got more clips in the front. You'll see when you pull it off. And the other videos I got, you'll see. Anyway, you pop this off and take it off. Now you don't have to remove the door handle. You don't have to do that to pull the door panel. Okay. Now we're just doing the window glass. Okay. We really don't have to take all the wires off here unless we want to totally remove the panel. Now if we want to totally remove the panel, it's no big deal. Pop this off. This just gonna pop. It's gonna pop right off after this is off. There's gonna be 4 plugs under here, 4 connectors on most cars, and they have like little tabs. Like I said, this is in another video. If you've got any problem with it, then you just push the little tab down with the screwdriver and take those off. Then this gets completely off. Okay. Next, you would take the door panel and just lift the whole door panel up. Okay. Now, when you do that, if you have power mirrors, like you have right here, there's going to be a little plug under there. Okay. And you just unplug it, of course. Now you can set this aside. All right. Now, at the bottom of the window, okay, you want to put your window down if you can, and you want to get it to about this point in here, of course, this panel is going to be going. Okay, you want to get it about here. All right, once you're in there, you're going to see two screws. There's going to be a screw here and a screw here, and they're holding the glass on. They're connected to the little clips. Okay. It's a 3/8. It's actually a 10 millimeter. Or you can use the 3/8 if you don't have a 10 millimeter. They're not really extremely tight. That's why I'm saying you could use the 3/8. But it's 10 millimeter. You take those completely out. Now you watch your glass don't fall. All right. Now once those are out, all right, now what you do is push your glass up. Okay. You push your glass up. Now this is just a quick explanation. There's a little bit more further in this video. You push your glass up. Now you notice how the glass is rounded and then it comes at an angle right here. It comes at an angle, then it goes down. Okay. So you got a small part of your place of your glass. All right, what you want to do is pull this. You want this to go, the part with the angle, you want that to go down, okay, into the door. Now, anytime you're fooling with this glass, if you get it, don't get into any kind of bond with it, because you'll break it. Okay, and the glass could be already broken. If it is already broken, make sure you got gloves on. Anyway, you push it, you go down with this end of the glass. Notice this part would be facing down. Okay. Push it down into the, work it easily until you get it down into the door. Okay. Now once you got it down into the door, and make sure it's easy and going free, then you just come up. And when you come up, you want to go on the outside. Okay. Now see this rain guard right here? That's no problem. It'll go past the rain guard. It'll go right past the rain guard. And you go up with it. Okay, and now you got your glass out. All right. Now to install it, you more or less do the same thing in reverse. Now, a little bit further in this video, you're going to see us installing one. I'm going to show you how I installed one. Okay. And then, of course, to put the door panel back on, you just simply reverse the process. Okay. After you put your new glass in, you put your two screws in the bottom, the glass, 3/8. You line them up. Now, the regulator should be down because you had put the regulator down where you can get to the screws. If you don't, you can't get to the screws because the rest of the door is hiding the screws. Anyway, you put those two screws in. And of course, you run your window up and down, jock it up and down, make sure it's working properly. Okay. Once that's going good, then you come back and put your door panel on. Now, the door panel, notice this rubber in the door panel. Make sure that's clipped onto the door real good, all the way. Okay, before installing it. Okay. All right, now, what you do is, once the door panel's in, you, like I said, you reverse the process. There's 3 hooks in a row right here. They hook down, and they catch on this, on the inside. Oh, they're on the door panel, plastic little hooks, they're about the size of my finger. 1, 2, 3. All right, then I think you got 8 altogether. You get some more around here in different places. The door panel's up higher, and you push the door panel down until it clips into those, gets into those clips. Now you have to watch this right here. You lock. Make sure that is in the right position. On the end of this is a little tube that goes down, about 1.25 inches. So, okay, a little round tube. Start that into that little tube. Okay. If you don't, you put it all together. This will be off to the side, and you have to pull it back apart again. So just kind of work that into that tube. It's the best way to do it. Once it gets started in the tube, you're good. Push your door panel up against it, push your door panel down, door panel locks in place. This is sticking up. Make sure this is locked in. Pull on this, make sure this is locked in. If the bottom is locked in and the top is not locked in, no problem. Just pick it up a little bit and push the top in. And then nail it down, hit it down, so it locks in. Again, making sure this stays the same. Okay, and then you just simply put this screw back in. Your two T's at the bottom, T25s, you tighten them up. The two long screws that go in here, you put them in and snap this back on. Okay. Now when you put this back together, this has to go before this. This goes on last. Okay. And then of course you plug all your plugs back in. Now if you're in there and you got any of these are bad, now's the time to change them. Okay, they're not hard to change, very easy. Okay, snap that in. Then this snaps back in. Okay. Once all that snapped back in, door panel's back on, you got your glass installed, and that's the way we do it here. How to install your glass. Now, you get a little further, you can see a little bit more on this video. Well, now we actually put the glass in. Okay. Alright. That's how we do it here. How to pull the glass and install the glass. I noticed there's not many videos about this on YouTube. I think I saw one where somebody would actually pull the glass. Most people just say pull the glass. And some people think you got to totally pull, which I'd thought also, you got to totally pull the door panel. I mean, of course you got to take the door panel off, but you got to pull the door all apart to get the glass out. But you don't. You just got to undo those two bolts, turn it sideways, and it'll come right out. You got to be very careful with it so you don't break it. Don't get in the bond. If it gets in a bond, you're going wrong. Start to get in the bond, go back to where you were. And try another way. Okay. Hope that helps you. And the rest of the video is going to show, like I said, us putting one in. Okay, it's been over 24 hours since we glued these on. Okay, we're going to put the window in. Alright. This part is going to go down. The curve goes this way. This is the inside of the window. This part is going to go down into the slot. So we're going to turn it up on the edge. Okay, we take the glass, like I said, that part goes down. Okay, but we go on the outside. Where's my hand? Okay, we go on the outside of the door. Okay, and once we get it going, once we get it started, it's hard to see the glass. Once we get it started, then we're going to turn it. After it gets started down in there, then we're going to turn it. Okay, we're slowly working it in and turning it. Okay. You can see the glass is all the way up here. It's on the back side of the window. It's on the other side of the window. Other door, I should say. You see, this is the edge. It bolts straight down. Okay. Okay, now as you're working it down, okay, this side, see where the track is? You want to get the glass in the track as you're working it down. You don't want to be on this side of the track. Okay, see there's the top of the glass. It's going right in. It would fall all the way down. I kind of got it jammed to the side a little bit. Okay, we just play with it. You don't want to get the glass in a bond. If you're in a bond, pull it back out and start over. Okay. Now it's lowered down and you see there's the bolt right there. And there's the other bolt right there. So they're lining up. As you can see. This flashlight's probably messing stuff up. Okay. They're in place. Okay. Now I just got to put the bolts in. Okay, we tighten that up. Like I said, that's 10 millimeter. And where's the other one? Already tightened the other one up. Okay, we tighten them up. So let's see. Let's see how she's going to work. All right, that's all the way up. I'm stopping it like that, all the way down. All right, now what I did, it's working great. Okay, what I did, I sprayed a little lithium grease, white lithium grease. It's what they recommend that you spray in there. Okay. Just take some white lithium grease. I got a can around here somewhere. There it is. Let's shake it up good. It's got like a little nozzle. And I sprayed it down in the track. Okay. Down in the track. I can see it. Let me get my flashlight. Yeah, I already sprayed some down there, but you can see way down in that track. Okay, that's how we install, and we take out the glass, install a new glass. Okay? Hope this helps someone. It's not hard, you just take your time.